I came to Dr. Bhatia because I had severe bruxism, so my teeth were very, very worn down, and I was afraid that I was going to end up having to lose other teeth. I already had 2 implants. They were also somewhat discolored. They kept having little chips. You know, at the end of the day, I just didn't smile. I looked like this in all pictures because I just was not comfortable smiling. So I met with him, I talked with him, he explained in detail exactly what would happen, answered my questions, and then showed me before and after pictures. And some of the befores were things I could never have imagined. I mean, not like mine, but never have imagined that you could do something with caps. It was really unbelievable. So I said, yes, I'm doing this. And the price compared to the US, you know, where I'm from, is amazingly reasonable. And it's at a great facility. So I had it done, and I was a little bit nervous because I have an extremely low pain threshold. And he said I won't feel anything, and you know, I'm skeptical, but I felt nothing. I couldn't believe it. So it was very fast. I came one morning, and all the lowers were prepared, and then I left with a temporary that was so good, I couldn't believe it. It was just like, you know, what had been there before, and it fit very well. And then less than a week later, I came back, and the caps were ready, and they were like little pieces of sculpture. So they were put on the lowers, and then the uppers were prepared in the same way. And then less than a week later, I came back. The uppers were put in. On the uppers, I got an extra special kind that's all ceramic, because for the very front teeth, because you know that looks really good. Also, I discovered something interesting. I asked for the thicker teeth, and combination of that and the fact that apparently anyhow you don't get a very sharp point at the bottom. I can't bite my nails anymore, so that's actually been very good. And I'm just, you know, I smile, and so I went to the States about a month after the treatment's finished to visit, and nobody noticed it, which is good, because it's, you know, you could tell people have had caps, it's way too white, and, you know, it looks too perfect, and you can tell, but nobody, you know, could tell I had caps. And everybody just kept, you know, you look good, you look happy, well, because I was smiling, you know, with teeth all the time. So I've been absolutely thrilled. I just, and Dr. Bhatia's been terrific. I mean, anytime you know, when I was before the procedure, when I was undergoing it, if I had questions, you know, I could text him or email. He was completely responsive. And I've also had a couple of bite splints made. I had bite splints in the States,